Qatar Airways is a top airline with excellent customer service and creative deals.
Qatar Airways is known for its diverse and inclusive company culture, with a strong emphasis on hospitality and customer service. The company values teamwork, professionalism, and excellence in all aspects of its operations. They often prioritize employee well-being and offer various opportunities for career development and advancement within the organization. Additionally, Qatar Airways promotes cultural awareness and celebrates diversity among its employees.
Excellence in everything we do. In this mission statement, Qatar Airways believes in excellence in its service and product.
Qatar Airways will be the world's #1 airway service provider based on customer preference, value, reliability, and scale.
Qatar Airways aims to be the best airline in the world and to create the highest standards of service and excellence to customers while providing a safe and comfortable journey. These are evident through their operation is centered with a focus on efficiency, luxury, and innovation. They pride themselves on providing exceptional service, state-of-art aircraft, and seamless travel experience for passengers.
The core values of Qatar Airways are creativity, honesty, accountability, heritage, and quality service. These values guide the company from the top to the bottom, and a creative team that works towards the goal of driving excellence keeps the value intact.
Close to schedule deviations and construction project pose challenges, negatively impacting operations. Qatar Airways pilots have reported long working hours and exhaustion due to the staff shortages. As per recent reports from Doha News, in 2021, 5 women filed a lawsuit in an Australian court against the airline, alleging unlawful physical contact and false imprisonment.
Cost and schedule deviations and construction in Qatar, here are some recommendations: comprehensive planning, regulation monitoring and reporting, risk management, stakeholder communication, technology adoption, and contract